Shakopee is known for its pristine environment, but even here, property owners face challenges. From everyday cleaning needs to serious issues like water damage, problems can arise unexpectedly. At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we're here to help homeowners and businesses protect what matters most. Our mission is to keep your property safe, clean, and healthy. One of the most serious threats is mold growth, which can spread quickly and harm indoor air quality. That's why we specialize in mold damage removal in Shakopee, Minnesota, providing fast and effective solutions. Mold doesn't just look bad, it can compromise the health of your family, employees, or customers. Our experts remove it safely and thoroughly, restoring your peace of mind. With advanced equipment and proven methods, we address the cause of the problem, not just the symptoms. This ensures your mold issue is solved comprehensively and conclusively. Homeowners and business owners across Shakopee rely on us for dependable service. We treat every property as if it were our own, with the highest standards of quality. Call us today at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaninganrestoration.com/areas-served-Shakopee-MN. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. Fast response, lasting protection.